We are live. It is Chris and Brian here from Resolve Technology. And as usual, Chris is on top of the latest technologies, the latest
Okay.
cybersecurity issues that might come up in your business. And one of the things, we don't have clients running WhatsApp typically, but you got to be careful of the shadow IT, and maybe you don't know it, and employees are, I don't know, using WhatsApp to message their family or whatever. I think you should be, that's fine if they do it on their phones and it's on the guest network, but I don't think it's a good idea to run this stuff in your business. And Chris may shed some light on a
Yep.
potential vulnerability.
Yeah, the mobile app works fine. It's just this is only for the Windows desktop app for WhatsApp. Now, we always generally recommend separating church and state when it comes if it's a corporate owned device, it's the property of the business and you only conduct business on there. You don't sign into personal emails. We could go on, but essentially they found a vulnerability in there. For this attack to be successful, Python needs to be installed. That's a prerequisite of it. How many people have Python installed because some line of business software development? So seeing Python installed on a lot of systems is not uncommon. But however, this is the message they get. So when sending a potentially dangerous file like an exe, it shows you this little message you can open or save as. However, when you open, you get this little pop-up in the system tray saying save failed. Bleeping computer tests this behavior was consistent. exe.com src.bat, which is a batch script, Perl files, but they found that WhatsApp blocks things like DLL, HTA, and VBS, Visual Basic Script.
So
However,
it's likely, I'm guessing, your antivirus is probably not going to block this, I would guess, in most cases, or Windows Defender if you use the built-in Windows Defender. And this is the problem with these applications. It's just like Skype or Teams or anything. You can send files back and forth. So this is a way of, somebody from the outside, some hacker, to send a message, a personal message to someone through, and it gets to the work computer, and then this person downloads it, right, Chris?
yeah, certain Python zip apps or installer programs, and also P scripts. And now they got a little video here. So if I make this full screen, you see the WhatsApp chat. You see this PYZ file you can open. It's probably a quick little video. Yeah, you see how there was a terminal window pop up, so it executed. So if we run that again, you only briefly see it. Sometimes you might see like a terminal or PowerShell window pop up. That might be IT related. We're running some script in the background when you log in, but it's also very common if you downloaded something you shouldn't have and ran it. You might see a bunch of stuff pop up, command and control type of things occur, and gain a persistent foothold to the machine.
Yeah, let me go ahead and sum it up, I guess. WhatsApp, probably shouldn't use it on your business computers, but that's obviously a company decision. If you do use it, and maybe you need a little education for your employees as to what kind of files are safe, and these are the sorts of things that can be used to gain entry into your network. And once they're in your network and they get it on one computer, sometimes they can hop on to other computers in the network.
Yeah. So they're saying on the latest version, it's currently, they can reproduce it on Windows 11, the latest version of the WhatsApp Windows app. I wanted to piggyback on what you said there on like save files. Most people will notice like, oh, they see a Word file, a PowerPoint, Excel file. There's a reason when you open those that were sent from some other computer that they open in safe mode, because there can be something malicious. There could be there could be something going on in the background of that document that might not be safe to open. So even if it looks safe, I'd still be a little weary. That's all.
Yeah, be skeptical. Always be skeptical. All right, Chris, thanks for bringing that to our attention.
All right.
See ya.